know you officially tapped in, clock in. Now you officially gotta lock in with your boy Jay. Now today, I got another reaction video. I'm about to be reacting to the House of Highlights Creator League. I know I did not react to the Devontae Freeman one. I need to get that one, even though it's like a week or so old. But Cash vs. GIO. If you don't want to see me react to the video, original video will be in the description down below. Why don't you want to see me react to it though? Like, that don't even make sense. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn your post notifications on, follow my gaming channel as well. I'm about to drop a whole goddamn NCAA 10, excuse me, NCAA 10 rebuild series. So make sure you go check that series out. It's gonna probably be out right after this video. So I'm gonna leave a card at the end of this video for it, and I'm gonna leave a tag up on the right hand corner. I think it's on this side, on this corner with it. But let's get into this reaction video. Let's go ahead and tap in. Let's go ahead. Come on.
You guys know what time it is.
Yo, that's why we here.
Shout out to House of Highlights for having me and Gio here. We got a 1v1 for you guys right now, all right? We're going to 11, right?
Let me see what they talking about.
How we gonna call it? Just be real simple. You know, once you lose a possession, you know it's a dead ball, it's the other person's ball, just like that. And yeah, we're gonna play the best out of 3.
All right, we really don't give a fuck about none of this.
Get that out of here. Come on, man.
Hold on, let's see. Is this everybody that's in it? Devontae Freeman, Chris, okay, Gio, Showtime, Cam Wise. Hey, it's gonna be a good one. Cam, Showtime, that's gonna be a good one. Chris White, Chinny Child, Gio. Oh, is that MK? Yeah, that's MK. So the next one is the 20th. All right, bet. Gotta have the notification turned on for that. Come on. Hold on, what's up with this quality?
First game 11.
This nigga throwing on the headband? Hey, GIO still be spamming dribbles. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, let's go. Let's see what's going on. I'ma say it now. I'ma say it now. I got Cash winning. It's don't play with your fool, Cash. Don't come out here bullshitting. I got Cash winning this one though. Yeah, it's about to be too easy. Mouse in the house, baby work out the gate. Hey, Gio, you might want to back up. Oh, hey, that's where he fucking up at. You can't do that. Cash. Only hoopers wear these. These Kobe's right here. Only hoopers wear these. You better go out here and cook. You better go cook. Go crazy in these. I better see top of the key. At least 6 shots go in with these on. You got to take in your inner mamba with those. Come on. Hey, Gio done got tatted up. Oh, he not spamming dribbles? Oh, yeah. This about to be cake work this. Gio ain't spamming dribbles. He can't hoop. He can't hoop if he ain't spamming dribbles. That's a travel. I'm calling it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What will Chris White be saying? He's a baby!
I went right side, I went left side.
He's a baby! Top of the key? Yeah, that's cake. Cash.
Try to spice up the bag a little bit, you know?
No. Y'all playing for 50K. Put him in a post. Lay him. Lay he. Off rip every time. Come on. Good closeout, Cash. Oh, my God. Oh, my. He ain't spamming dribbles. He can't shoot. Top of the key? Cash, he giving you top of the key. Baby. I fuck with the sportsmanship, my boy, but 50K? Nah. If he don't call it, I ain't saying shit. I ain't gonna let it know. If he don't call it, he ain't getting it. If he would've called, I'd have gave it to him. But I ain't giving it to you now. Come on, let me see some, Cash. You going right back to the boom boom room. Ugh.
Damn, I gotta make that, bro.
You bullshitting. You trying to let him get a chance. No, don't play with your food. He hit that? Hold on, he hit that shit? Hey. Guys, don't sell me. Don't sell me. Nah, you always double check. Always double check. That shit don't work. Playing against the fucking clamp god. You playing against the clamp god. You can't do that, GIO. If he hit that, it might be. Close don't matter. 50,000 on the line. 50,000. 50,000 is on the line. It don't matter. Close don't matter. 50,000 is on the line. No. If I'm out here, I'm cooking. Especially against Cash. I have to drop Cash off. Top of the key!
I want to start shooting. I want to see that for the next game. Top of the key! Come on, I've been in my bro.
Oh, that was only a one? Hey, lay, easy. Easy. Hey, how long is this video? 20 minutes? Oh, yeah, he got him out of here. No, quick, fast, in a hurry. Good move. Oh! Oh, yeah, Cash. Oh, yeah, Cash. Top of the key. I'm waiting for the spams to come. Come on. Show me some, GIO. Hey, I'm trying not to pause like that. I'm trying not to pause like that. But I'm gonna keep it real. It's GIO get the spam dribbling. I don't know what it is about the spam dribble. That nigga's gonna start clipping. I don't understand. I don't understand this madness, but it worked for him, I guess. Guys, come on. What you doing? Show me something. Step back. Okay. Straight to the bucket. Spin move. Lay. He's a baby.
6'2".
He's a baby. You got that? You got that? Hold on. Cash, you got that. I ain't seen that in your bag. I ain't never seen that in your bag, Cash. He be pulling from... I ain't gonna lie. If this nigga scoot in a little bit, maybe he'll start clipping. But that nigga be shooting from deep as hell like he Curry. 50,000 on the line. I'm not doing that, bro. I'm bringing out the real hooping skills. I'm gonna show niggas I can. For GIO, this is the time he supposed to show niggas he can really hoop. Instead of pulling the bullshit he usually pull, this is time for 50,000. It's crazy. This time I'm showing I can really hoop for real. Hey. I'm about to say, you must have been in the lab working on that shot. Don't fall for the hezzy, Cash. Don't fall for the hezzy. I don't know. I don't know. Come on. Let me see something. Hey, all this fucking dribbling, man. Come on. This is why I always play 3 dribbles. Hook shot. Hey, make it interesting, though.
Hey, shout out to my barber, bro. You let me look at sharp, bro.
Man, this nigga just shout out to his barber. Come on. Show me something. This nigga GIO tired as hell in guarding Cash. I say, damn, keep up. Keep up with your score. GIO. You gotta scoot in! This is for 50,000. You got to scoot in. Why are you pulling from goddamn down there half goddamn court? I got Cash with it, but shit. Scoot in. The fuck? Telling you. He tripping. Let me see some Cash. Top of the key. Oh, you going
Hey.
That's too easy. That's just too fucking easy. 8. There he is. Oh, GIO sat down on that one. He's sitting down on this one. Oh, yeah, there we go, Cash. Show me the handles. Show me some Cash. Show me some Cash.
You're doing way too much. He's not like that.
GIO, I'm going to keep it a buck. It's 8-2. It's 8-2. I don't think you have the room to be talking like that. What you doing, my boy? What you doing? I don't think you have the room for that. I don't. I don't at all.
He's doing way too much. He's not like that.
You literally spam dribbling in one spot.
Hey, he is damn near real life pulling from damn near half. The half line is like right here. Right here, the half. Yeah, look at it. The half line is right there. Scoot in! What you doing? Damn! I'm calling offensive foul. I'm calling it. 50,000 is on the line.
9. Ready for a break?
Top of the key.
Well, like water. Top of the key. That's my fucking hot spot, man. That's game, right? Take a break.
He hit that shit?
Well, like water. Top of the key.
He didn't hit that.
Well, like water. Top of the key. That's my fucking hot spot, man. That's game, right?
Where did it go in? I didn't see it. Cash. Did you just finesse?
Oh, man. Where my water at? I can see game 1. Honestly, I didn't want to shoot so much. Try, show a little bit of things in the bag. With backing up.
Come on,
Listen.
Come on, we're game 2 at.
Why are you shaking, bro? Fuck it with you, bro. But I'm just gonna shoot around. We're gonna show.
Come on. Hey, does Cam Water play GIO? And I got him at the last game. Damn, this shit going on for 3 months? God damn. Hey. That game gonna be tough. Come on. Come on, let's get into the game.
Me paying y'all bills right now. It's a win-win situation. Same for
Come on, help me pay some bills in. Let me see something, Cash. Let me see the top of the key. The flick is there, Cash. It's there, Cash. Don't sell game 2 now. He about to get to spamming. Wait. Oh. Hey, is GIO the worst hooper on YouTube? Like the people know? If I was to play GIO, score would be about 11-2. 11-2. 3 dribbles though? 12-0. Cash? Ugh. Good shot, Cash. I see the flick. Hold on. With Cash though, if I play Cash 3 dribbles, 11-5. Limited dribbles, 11-7. 11-8. I'll give Cash some respect. Cash deserves him the respect. But GIO though, I'm whooping his ass. Come on, show me something. What are y'all playing in the background though? Like, what is that? What is y'all playing in the background? That shit's so ugly. Like, he might be the worst hooper on the internet. He might be the worst one on YouTube at least. Top of the key!
Come on! The flick!
I see it. It's there. The flick is there. I'm seeing it. Come on, man. Top of the key! Top of the key!
That's so disrespectful now. That's top of the key, bro. You know what the hot spot is, bro.
Hey, Cash in this motherfucker talking shit. Top of the key! Cash, top of the key! Now GIO gotta step up. Oh, yeah. Oh, behind the back, top of the key. Cash! Oh! I'm about to say, team me up, my boy. Team me up then. Good D. That'd been a tough leg if he hit though.
After the game of him and Holland, bro, I'm gonna get you on some food what you can eat, right?
That's so disrespectful. Cash! It's disrespectful. It is. It is. Top of the key. Top of the key. Top of the key.
How about this? 7-0.
Cash don't. Cash. I say, boy, don't turn me up, boy. Don't turn me up, Cash. Wow. He is disrespectful. This is so disrespectful. Oh my God. No way. Hey. He shows you no respect, GIO. And I'll just spit everywhere. He shows you no respect. That's showing you that you can't hoop. You can't get a bucket. Cause any insane motherfucker would have seen him drop to the ground and did push-ups, would have went to the rim and laid the ball up. Not shot from half court. What the 50,000? It's on the line. 50,000. And you shoot the ball when you do some push-ups? Delusional.
Okay, man, I gotta work out. My brother just came to town.
The fuck? He think it's all funny. Hell no, that shit ain't funny. That's disrespectful. Hey, any shooters know? Any shooters know? They gonna adjust with that ball. after the 4th, 5th shot or so, 6th on top, you're going to adjust. You're just not a shooter. You're just not a shooter. It's okay. Everybody can't shoot the ball. But give me 6 shots with a new ball I'm iffy about. It's wet like water. Simple. Simple. Oh, step back. Ooh. Cash is trying to show us a different bag.
7-0. Oh, 5-0, 5-0, 5-0. Mark, you're taking the shot.
You're not hitting. Get to the bucket. What are you doing? Fucking bozo.
College Street? Yeah. Oh, all right, guys. So this line right here, this College Street. Right here. This
I'm about to say
College
Cash.
Street.
That's obvious.
Oh, what they saying? Oh, Cash gonna make the shots because the high school 3. Oh, come on!
Take up, bro. I don't got all day.
Hey, look, bro. Look, I'm handling you later on. Come on, man.
It's so disrespectful.
I can do it all, y'all. I've been practicing too. Shot to the chest, man.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, there you go. Sit down. You bring out the clamp guard. Ugh. There it is.
That was college.
Come on, show me something there, Gio. Show me something, Gio. You got one nice bucket throughout all these points. One nice bucket. Come on and stop dribbling. You did all that to do that. All that to do that. What's up with you, my boy? Like, what's up with you? Top of the key.
Because the haters in the comments, y'all said I'm shooting high school 3s, bro. 7.
Step back. I'm about to say Cat. Look like Cat's been in the gym with the weights in on hooping. Shoot a normal 3. God damn. He literally just let you walk in and score the ball. Keep going. This shit makes no sense. I'm gonna keep it real. One leg. I see the flick, Cash. Don't get me wrong. I see the flick. You been getting some shots up somewhere. Another one. Yeah, this over with. This was over with. Let me get it wet like water. Game time! Game time! Wet like water! Top of the key, Cash!
Anything you want to say?
That's the only thing you can say after you get your ass bleed. That is so disrespectful. That is so disrespectful.
You know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? No,
Cash. This is disrespectful. It's another grown-ass man you're curling. You're curling another grown-ass man. It's not okay. Not at all. Gio, you can't do this. You're going out sad. Sad as hell. What the fuck?
Good game, Gio, bro. Cam, you next, bro. You already know what I did to you the last House of Highlight. King of the Court we did, bro.
Ooh.
I know you want to talk about it.
Ooh.
Me, you, and Frigga, we know what happened there. And I was up to Casamigos 1942 that day. When I'm coming to you, I'm coming fresh.
He talking that G shit. Hey, if y'all like this video, though, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if I should. I'm most definitely going to react to the Cam Wilder and K Showtime. Let me know if y'all enjoyed the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Original video will be in the description down below. Once if you don't want to follow, watch this video, follow my gaming channel as well. But you don't got to go home. But you got to get the fuck out of here.